Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is Hanwha Aerospace and GoCraft agree to establish local defense maintenance capabilities in Estonia. Hanwha Aerospace has signed a memorandum of understanding with GoCraft to establish a local framework for technical cooperation and maintenance in Estonia. The agreement was signed in Tallinn on the 21st of December and focuses on transferring maintenance know-how, providing technical training and localizing spare parts supply. The cooperation is intended to ensure the reliable operation and security of supply for the Chunmoo systems supplied by Hanwha Aerospace to the Estonian Defence Forces. It also reinforces Estonia's sovereign defense capabilities by improving the operational readiness of key systems. The agreement builds on Hanwha Aerospace's existing engagement in Estonia, including the delivery of K9 self-propelled howitzers in 2020 and a recent contract for the Chunmoo systems. It is intended to serve as a foundation for expanding practical industrial cooperation between Estonia and Hanwha. Looking ahead, Hanwha Aerospace is considering the establishment of a center of excellence in Estonia should opportunities arise involving the Redback infantry fighting vehicle. Such a facility would enable local industry to carry out core maintenance across major land systems, including K9, Chunmoo and Redback platforms. Robert Park said, "We are focused on practical cooperation that leaves sustainable defense capabilities in Estonia." He added, "By localizing maintenance and sharing technical know-how with partners like GoCraft, we will directly contribute to reinforcing Estonia's national defense capabilities." Tormissa said, "We look forward to our cooperation with Hanwha Aerospace, and I am confident that together we can achieve outstanding results." He added, "Our objective is to provide the highest quality technical services for the Chunmoo systems and to ensure the best logistical support for the Estonian Defence Forces." Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write at the rate Electronics Technology 50.